ZZ1S Unpacking Guide. Open the box. Check whether the outer packaging is complete or has any bumps. Open the buckle of the wooden box. Remove the securing button. Take out the accessories in the wooden box and lift out the machine. Place the machine on a flat tabletop. Remove the protective film of the machine. Confirm the machine and accessories are complete. Use a screwdriver to remove the carriage fixing bracket. Make sure the left and right sides of the carriage are normal. Remove the platform fixing tape. Make sure the front and back sides of the carriage are normal. Make sure there are no obstacles 40 centimeters behind the platform. Power-ups. Connect the power cord and turn on the main switch. Turn on the front emergency stop switch. Connect computer with network cable. Set IP. Open network connections Ethernet. Change adapter options. Right-click Ethernet, Internet Protocol IPv4. Text IP address at our video. Install software. USB which come with THR machine. Open Print EXP. Click Next. Install the driver environment file. Press the buttons to ensure that the machine is normal. Press the UV light switch. Add inks. Ink filling position on the left side of the machine. Confirm ink bottle order. Shake the ink evenly and pour it into the ink bottle that matches the color. System loading ink. Load ink. Waiting 30 seconds, then stop. Waiting 5 seconds, click Load Ink 5 seconds. Press the button left lightly to check whether there is ink in the ink pad. Press the button nozzle lightly and wait for the cleaning to be completed. Print. Check the nozzle. Place a piece of clean white paper flat. Adjust the height between the nozzle and the object to 2 millimeters. Return. Click the front button nozzle. The white paper will print detection line. It is normal for less than 10 lines to be missing. Print wireframe. Adjust the height of the platform to 2 mm. Click the return button. Import the position line file. Rotate and modify its position. Spot color, white and gloss, none. Print the color flag. Place a piece of clean white paper flat and secure it around. Adjust the height between the nozzle and the object by 2 mm. Click the return button. Set its size W100 mm, H automatic. Spot, white, all, gloss, none, print. Spot, white, all, gloss, all, print. The machine began to print color blocks. Check whether the color block printing is normal.